This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Mercantile Bank Corporation, a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MBWM. This video is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MBWM to find Mercantile Bank Corporation. Confirm you have selected the correct listing for MBWM before proceeding. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.